Thank you to all healthcare workers, scientists, community leaders, frontline workers and our global leaders. Thank you for looking after us. We know it's not easy. However, we are sending you our strength and support. We know you're doing your best. For this, we say thank you. For supporting us, your fellow humans, in protecting our health and safety, that of our families, our teams, our communities and our nations. For this, we say thank you. Thank you for supporting us all these years with your love and compassion, caring, protecting and looking out for us. We will get through this together, united as one. For this, we say thank you. We are using this time to love our families, replenish our hearts and refuel our creative souls. We will better serve our community and better serve humanity. Together, united as one, we say thank you. We are proud to be hairdressers. We are proud to serve you. We are proud to stand together as one global voice in saying thank you. Our world may have been rocked. However, our spirits have risen, inspired by your actions, your selflessness, and care that you are giving us. For this, we say thank you. As hairdressers, we are a social group, working closely with you, constantly touching, listening, sharing the best of us. We may not be able to physically engage with you today. However, we can continue to touch your hearts. We would like to say thank you. We thank you for supporting us as an industry and a global community. Our love and hope for the future will inspire us to innovate, to create a better tomorrow for the future generations. Together, united as one voice, all of us, hairdressers from every corner of the globe, with the fullness of our hearts, would like to say thank you.